Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. The price line of BTC is following the different Fibonacci sequences, and I have been sharing all these Fibonacci sequence-based patterns with you. And first, the BTC formed here the Gartley, then Cipher, then another Shark, and now we are expecting for another shark formation. And in today's video, I want to talk about these Fibonacci sequences, and we will also discuss how we can avoid the formation of this bullish shark, because at one side it is really very good that the price line will complete another harmonic bullish reversal move, and it will be reverse bullish from here, and we can have another buy the dip opportunity. However, if you have already bought the Bitcoin, then definitely it is a scary situation that the price action will be dropped more up to this level. However, eventually the price action will be reversed bullish to the upside. And if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then first I would request you that do subscribe it. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon, because I am also sharing the different harmonic trading and other trading ideas here on the daily basis, then I've shared the link in the video description. You can find there. That will be also a great support for my channel to continue my work for you guys. Okay, first of all, we can see that the price line of Bitcoin was moving in this descending triangle, and at the same time it is forming the different harmonic patterns while moving in this descending triangle. First, the price action formed this bullish Gartley pattern, and let me just show you all these patterns step by step, and then we will move to this current pattern, the expected bullish shark. Okay, this was the idea that I shared on 18th of June at the Patreon, and that was the expected bullish cipher move by the Bitcoin I was expecting. And before this was the recently expected cipher move, and before this the price action formed this cipher. And let me take you to the previous chart, the older one, then we will move to the recent one. Okay, and before this cipher pattern, the price action also completed this bullish Gartley move that we have witnessed here. We can see that the price action completed this Gartley, and this was a pattern that I shared on 30th of May, when this final leg of the bullish harmonic Gartley move was completed, and it was entered in the buying zone. And as per the Fibonacci sequence, the price action reversed bullish from this buying zone. I have played the chart, and you can see that the price action reversed bullish. That was a good rally. Now, after this Gartley pattern, the price action completed this cipher pattern that I shared on 6th of June. First at the Patreon, and then with you guys as well, when the price action entered here in the buying zone. And you can see that this was this cipher move that we are discussing at this time. And we can see that the price action entered in the buying zone here. Let me move back here. And the price action reversed bullish from this buying zone. First, the price action hit here at the sell zone. We had a long spike here, even beyond this buying zone, this one. And then the price action again reversed bullish. That was another very, very nice rally. And after this cipher, the price action completed another bullish reversal move. That was this recent cipher I was expecting. But this time the price action behaved differently, because I was expecting that, because this C leg was a little bit longer if we compare it to the bullish shark. And let me replace the Fibonacci tool here, then it will be better for us to understand, not on this one, on this one. Okay, this was the initial leg, and then the price action, you can see, projected up to 1.728 Fibonacci projection. However, if I place the cipher pattern, then it was projected up to 1.39. That is as per requirement of the bullish cipher, from 1.272 to 1.414 Fibonacci projection. Therefore, I was expecting that this time the price action will behave like a cipher, and I defined my sell targets as per the cipher pattern. And after playing the chart, we can see that the price action indeed completed this final leg, but behaved like a shark. And if we just ignore this little difference of the C leg, this one, then the price action exactly behaved like the shark pattern, and from this buying zone it reversed bullish, and now it has started another formation of another bullish harmonic move, and this time we can expect another bullish sharp pattern, because after initial leg it is retraced between 0.382 to 0.618. In easy language, the price action is moved down in the percentage from 38.2% to 61.8%, and this is the percentage of this rally, and then it is projected between 1.13 to 1.618 Fibonacci projection of A to B leg. It means that it is moved up from 113% to 168%, well, 161.8% of A to B leg. This is the projection of A to B leg. So all the legs are driven perfectly as required for the bullish chart. Therefore, I'm expecting that this time it can again move down to complete this final leg that starts from 1.886 to 1.13%. It means that it can move down 88.6% to 113%, and this is the percentage of X to D leg of this length. It can move down here, and as per the Fibonacci sequence, our buying and sell target starts from $29,568 and ends up to $27,934. And we have already discussed earlier in my previous videos that if the price action moves here at $27,900, that will be very close to the Fibonacci ratio, the Fibonacci golden pocket, because if I place the Fibonacci tool from this low of March to this high of April, then we can see that this is the 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level, that is approximately at $27,500. And if the price action will visit the $27,900, that will be really very close to the Fibonacci golden pocket. And all these things are happening above the 50 weekly simple moving average. That is a really very good support, and at the same time we are also having very good support of this is the support area, starts from $28,800 and ends up to $31,000. And we can see that so far the price action is respecting this support very well, and the price line first found this support area here back in January 2021, and now it is again at this support, and this will be a kind of double bottom if the price action will be moved up from here. However, in order to avoid this situation that we are having at this time, that the price action can move here, we can have another long spike like we had here and here as well, and then the price action will be reverse bullish as per the Fibonacci sequence of the bullish chart. In order to avoid this situation, we can see that the price action has found another uptrend line support. This is not confirmed so far because we have only 2 touch points here. You can see that from here up to this level, and I'm just connecting these 2 weeks of the candlesticks, and we are very close to this uptrend line. If the price action will be reverse bullish from here, from this point, that will be approximately at $32,000, and sorry, that is approximately $32,000. And if the price action will be reverse bullish from here, it will be moved to the upside, then an uptrend line will be confirmed, the uptrend line support will be confirmed. And if I place again this trend line here to connect all these wicks of the candlesticks here, this is we have touch point here and here and here as well, and other touch point here. So the resistance is confirmed, but so far the support is not confirmed because we have only 2 touch points. Once we will have another reversal from here, then it is a perfect formation of the rising wedge pattern, and we are already if the price action will be moved up from here, then we will be already above this out of this resistance of this previous descending triangle. That is the bigger pattern than this expected rising wedge pattern. And if we take a look at the target, the sell target of this descending triangle, that is if I place this trend line here at the breakout point, that is approximately at $45,500 or $45,000. And if the price action will follow this target of the descending triangle after moving up, after getting bounced from here, then the price action will also break out this resistance of the rising wedge, the expected rising wedge pattern as well, and it can also avoid the formation of this bullish shark pattern. However, if this trend line will be broken down, then definitely the price action is going to form a bullish shark, and our targets in that situation can be from $29,500, the buying range, and ends up to $27,900 in the sell point. The sell range as per the Fibonacci sequence can be from $31,244 and ends up to $34,745. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon, and here you will also find a lot more other trading ideas as well. Then I have also shared the link in the video's description. You can find there. Take care. Goodbye.